Today, we're diving into a topic that's as universal as life itself: setbacks. Life is like a roller coaster full of ups and downs, but guess what? It's completely normal. In fact, setbacks are a part of the journey. Setbacks aren't just challenges to overcome, they're opportunities for growth. It's in those tough moments that we discover our true strengths and resilience. So, we'll discuss 5 practical ways to overcome those inevitable bumps in the road. Number 1, embrace change. One of the first steps to overcoming setback is to embrace change. Life is constantly evolving, and sometimes setbacks are just a sign that it's time for a change. Think of it like the seasons. They change, and so do we. For example, losing a job might lead you to discover a new passion or a career path you hadn't considered before. Embracing change not only allows us to adapt to new circumstances, but also foster personal growth. It opens doors to opportunities and experiences that we may have never encountered if we had stayed within our comfort zones. By viewing setbacks as catalysts for positive change, we empower ourselves to navigate through life's challenges with resilience and optimism. Number 2, learn and adapt. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and adapt. Take a setback as a lesson rather than a failure. Did you stumble? Great. Now figure it out what caused it and learn from it. For instance, if a relationship didn't work out, it's a chance to understand yourself better and grow emotionally. Embracing setbacks allow you to build resilience and develop problem-solving skills. Consider setback as a stepping stone toward personal growth, helping you become more capable of overcoming future challenges. Remember, setbacks are not roadblocks. They are detours that can lead you to unexpected and valuable experiences. Number 3, build a support system. We're not meant to navigate life alone. Building a strong support system is crucial. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. When setbacks hit, having friends or family to lean on can make a world of difference. Imagine going through a tough time without a friend to share a laugh or a family member to lend a listening ear. In times of joy, having loved ones around magnifies the happiness. Picture celebrating achievement without anyone to high five or share the excitement with. Additionally, a robust support network provides diverse perspectives, helping you navigate life's complexity with a broader understanding. Always remember the bonds you forge together can be your pillar of strength tomorrow. Number 4, set realistic goals. Setbacks often occur when our goals are too ambitious or unrealistic. It's important to set achievable, realistic goals. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to get fit, start with a realistic exercise routine instead of aiming for an extreme workout that might lead to burnout. Additionally, focusing on one goal at a time can help prevent feeling overwhelmed. Prioritize what matters most to you and tackle each goal step by step. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small, so celebrate your achievements along the way. Number 5, cultivate a positive mindset. Your mindset can make or break your ability to overcome setbacks. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on what you can control rather than what you can't. Meditations, mindfulness, or simply shifting your perspective can do wonders. Engaging in regular physical exercise not only boosts your mood, but also enhances resilience, equipping you with the stamina to tackle obstacles head on. These techniques help you stay grounded and maintain resilience in the face of adversity. When life throws lemon at you, turn them into lemonade. So, there you have it, 5 practical ways to overcome setbacks. Remember, setbacks are not roadblocks. They are detours guiding you to a better path. Embrace change, learn and adapt, build a support system, set realistic goals, and cultivate a positive mindset. Life's challenges are inevitable, but your ability to overcome them is what truly defines you. Stay positive, stay resilient, and until next time, keep thriving.